Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that Onyxcoin. Now before we start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, Onyx XCN is the native cryptocurrency of the Onyx protocol, a Web3 blockchain platform designed to power decentralized financial DeFi services, functioning as its true utility and governance assets. Purpose powers a next generation blockchain for decentralized financial services. Technology serves as the gas token for the Onyx Ledger, a high performance layer 3 blockchain. Tokenomics enables governance payments and features a deflationary burst mechanism. Onyx project audited by Ceritic. Onyx token total supply is 48.4 billion and circulating supply is around 37.46 billion XCN token. XCN token is listed on popular centralized exchanges like Coinbase, KuCoin, Kraken and other centralized exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 90% chances that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.